Top 10. Atom shape round dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 38 millimeters. Band length band standard. Band width 20 millimeters. Movement automatic. Water resistant 100 meters. Top 9. Atom shape round dial material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog clasp deployment clasp. Case diameter 41 millimeters. Case thickness 12 millimeters. Bezel material fixed. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth 500 meters. Top 8. Atom shape secure dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 38 millimeters. Case thickness 10 millimeters. Band material ceramic. Band length man standards. Special features ceramic watch. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 500 meters. Top 7. Atom shape round dial material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 39 millimeters. Case thickness 5 millimeters. Band material ceramic. Special feature high-tech ceramic case. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 300 meters. Top 6. Atom shape round dial material type anti-reflective scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog clasp push button fold over deployment clasp. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 40 millimeters. Case thickness 8 millimeters. Band material leather. Special features high touch ceramic case. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Top 5. Brand Rado. Case size 45 mm. Case material ceramic. Wristlet material ceramic. Display type analog. Movement automatic. Water resistant 100 meters. Top 4. Atom shape rectangle galvanometer tap anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog clasp push button deployment clasp. Case material ceramic. Case diameter 36 millimeters. Case thickness 8 millimeters. Band material ceramic. Band length main standard. Band width 35 millimeters. Moment quartz water resistant at 100 meters. Top 3. Galvanometer tap sapphire crystal. Display tab analog. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Bandwidth 20 millimeters. Moment Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Top 2. Atom shape round galvanometer tab anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog. Case material high touch ceramic titanium. Case diameter 40 millimeters. Special features sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, high touch ceramic. Band material high touch ceramic. Band length main standards. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth 500 meters. Top 1. Atom shape round galvanometer tab anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Case thickness 10 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Special features sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, high touch ceramic luxury watch. Moment Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 500 meters. Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.